Students, let us understand universal access. Ubuntu provides an inbuilt tool called universal access. It makes the use of computer easy for a user. You can find this tool either by selecting the session indicator, then go to System Settings, then go to Universal Access, or simply by typing Universal Access in the dash window. The Universal Access dialog box appears that contains the following tabs: Seeing, Hearing, Typing, Pointing and Clicking. Seeing. By using Seeing tab, you can manage the text size, the contrast of the interfaces, enable a zoom tool, or even a screen reader. The high contrast and large text property assists those who have vision difficulties. Hearing. You can activate visual alerts through the Hearing tab if you have hearing impairment. You can also adjust keyboard and mouse settings according to your need through the typing and pointing and clicking tabs respectively. Typing. Typing feature is used to change the settings of on-screen keyboard. When you click on this tab, it displays the following options: sticky keys, slow keys, bounce keys, enabled by keyboard. Sticky keys. Sticky keys allow you to press the keys combination one by one instead of holding the keys together. For example, the Alt plus Tab shortcut key is used to switch between the open windows. If the sticky keys are not turned on, you will have to hold down both keys at the same time. But if you turn on the sticky keys feature, you will press Alt and then Tab to do the same function. To activate this feature, select the on or off button located adjacent to the sticky keys. Let me tell you about Onboard. The Onboard program allows you to write or create document using the on-screen keyboard rather than the actual keyboard, which is attached to the computer system. To activate the Onboard feature, click on the dash icon. The dash window appears. Type Onboard in the search bar. Click on its icon to open the application. The virtual keyboard will appear on the screen. Now open a new document in LibreOffice Writer. Start typing using the mouse or other pointing device by simply clicking the required key on the virtual keyboard. To quit the Onboard keyboard, select the Onboard icon located on the indicator area. Select the Quit option. The on-screen keyboard and the Onboard icon will disappear from the screen. Students, let us know more. Using keyboard as mouse, use up, down, left and right keys for mouse pointer movement in the corresponding directions. Use home and end key for diagonally left, upward and downward movement respectively. Use page up and page down keys for diagonally right, upward and downward movement respectively. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter.